Gold prices fall despite recession fears. Will it decline? 38 Factors behind fall in gold rates on April 4. GOLD. Silver prices see a major decline on Friday amid profit booking and following reports that precious metals were excluded from former President Trump's reciprocal tariffs. Gold and silver saw a sharp decline on Friday. Gold, which is considered a safe haven asset during political and economic uncertainties, declined nearly 1% despite U.S. recession fears and a massive sell-off in equities across the world, including India, following Donald Trump's reciprocal tariffs announcement. Meanwhile, silver, which has industrial use as well, witnessed a bigger decline, falling by as much as 8% after the tariff announcement. Indiana. The global markets. On the MCX, gold prices on Friday declined by 0.9% below the Rs 90,000 mark to the day's low of Rs 89,260 per 10 grams during the day, before recovering to Rs 89,885 for the June 2025 contracts. Silver saw a bigger decline with the prices falling 2.67% at the day's low on MCX. However, it recovered a bit to Rs 92,551 as of 4:15 p.m. on Friday. In the international market, New York-based COMEX June gold closed 1.4 lower on Thursday, reaching a 1-week low of $3,073.5 per ounce. Silver, however, fell as much as 8%. The stock markets across the globe also declined massively, with the U.S. equities seeing biggest daily fall in 5 years in percentage terms. In India, the BSE Sensex tumbled 930.67 points to close at 75,364.69, while the NSE Nifty declined 345.65 points to 22,904.45 as the Trump tariffs stoked recession fears in the U.S. Why did gold, silver prices fall despite U.S. recession fears? According to analysts, gold prices saw a major decline on Friday following reports that precious metals were excluded from former President Trump's reciprocal tariffs. They also said the move comes as the markets had already priced in the impact of reciprocal trade tariffs over the past few months, making profit-taking a natural outcome. Kanat Chainwala, Assistant Vice President Commodity Research of Kotak Securities, said, COMEX June gold closed 1.4 lower yesterday, reaching a 1-week low of $3,073.5 per ounce, following reports that precious metals were excluded from former President Trump's reciprocal tariffs. Gold inventories on COMEX have surged in recent months amid concerns that tariffs could disrupt shipments. However, fears of retaliation from key trading partners and the potential for a full-blown trade war boosted safe haven demand, limiting losses, he added. Jatin Trivedi, Vice President Research Analyst Commodity and Currency of LKP Securities, said, gold witnessed profit booking with prices down by Rs 650 at Rs 89,450 on the MCX, following the official announcement of tariff pricing. The move comes as the markets had already priced in the impact of reciprocal trade tariffs over the past few months, making profit-taking a natural outcome. Will gold decline? 38 John Mills, a market strategist at US-based financial services firm Morningstar, projected that gold could fall to $1,820 per ounce, a stark contrast to its current price of approximately $3,080 per ounce. This would equate to a nearly 38% reduction, a scenario that could dramatically alter the gold market. However, LKP's Trivedi said there is the downside level depends upon the geopolitical situation. With the tariff premium now largely discounted, further downside pressure may emerge as geopolitical tensions, especially from Russia, Ukraine and the Middle East, remain relatively subdued. This easing of global uncertainty could lead to a softening in safe haven demand, said Trivedi. Kotak Securities' Chainwala said there is a strong support in gold prices due to rate cut expectations, central bank purchases, and strong ETF demand. Additionally, gold remains supported by expectations of rate cuts, central bank purchases, and strong demand from gold-backed ETFs. Currently, gold is trading above $3,120 and may stay supported as markets remain on edge ahead of key U.S. jobs report and speeches by Fed Chair Powell and other FOMC officials, Chainwala said. Technical view. On the technical front, COMEX gold faces strong resistance at the 3,1203,130 zone, while immediate support is seen around 3,050-3,055. A break below this could accelerate selling pressure in the near term, Trivedi said. Nan.